What's going on, guys? Ace Approve here, and let's be real, not all Mercedes are built the same. Some are total hidden gems, others are just rolling repair bills. I've owned one, I researched a ton, and if I had to choose today, here are the Mercedes I'd actually buy in 2025. And obviously, I'm going to talk about the ones that I would stay far away from. So let's start off with the models that I would own. So obviously, number one coming in is going to be the CLK 500, usually between the years of 2003 and '06. This is what I own, and it's one of the best value Mercedes on the used market. The M113 V8 is a workhorse, 302 horsepower, naturally aspirated, simple, reliable, and no air or ABC suspension to worry about. It's got just enough tech to feel modern, but still built like a proper Benz. Plus, the convertible version with an AMG package. I mean, come on now. Come on now, guys. You're getting real class and real power for under 10K. Number two is obviously going to be the E55 AMG, usually between the years of 2003 and 2006, the W211 platform. This one's a no-brainer if you want power. The M113K supercharged V8 is legendary. 469 horses stock and built to take more. Yes, it has aromatic suspension, but it's manageable compared to newer systems. Just be prepared for high performance maintenance, but for the price, you're basically buying a German muscle car that'll destroy most modern day cars, and that is impressive. Coming in at number three, we got the 2011 E550, the W212 facelift. This is one of the few M273 cars I'd actually buy. The 2011 model has the 5.5 liter V8 before they switched to the bi-turbo 4.7. It's fast, sounds amazing, and the W212 chassis is solid. No ABC suspension, and the tech is clean without being overdone. If you want something newer without the usual German headaches, because we all know about the German reliability in some models, not even just Mercedes, this is a sleeper pick. At number four, we have the S500 between the years of 98 and '06, the W220 with the M113 engine. If you want luxury, the early 2000s S500 with the M113 is a great choice, but only if it doesn't have the ABC suspension. These cars float, feel classy, and the engine is basically bulletproof. Avoid the AMG version unless you're ready to fix the suspension. Just keeping it real. But a clean S500 is still a boss move for under 8K. And lastly, number five is a surprising pick, and a lot of people don't know about it. Even Mercedes enthusiasts don't even know about this one. Is the C55 AMG between the years of '05 and '06, the W203 platform. Very overlooked, but this thing is a rocket. It uses the same M113 V8 in a smaller C-Class body, and it's a real driver's car. No air suspension, no unnecessary tech, just old school Mercedes muscle. It's rare, so finding one takes time, but if you find one, I promise you, it'll be worth it. Now, these are Mercedes models I would avoid. Coming in at number one, anything with the ABC suspension. S55 AMG, a CL class, an SL500, SL55, and so on. It doesn't matter how nice they look, because they look very nice and it's very tempting. But if it has an ABC suspension, I am out. When it fails, and it will, you're spending thousands just to keep the car off the ground. The ride is amazing, but unless you're ready to drop the money constantly, it's a headache. Don't get one. At number two, we have the SL500 and the SL550. I know I touched base on this on the first one, but I'm going to go more in depth about these. This one hurts because it looks great, but it's full of problems. It has ABC, constant electrical issues, and expensive roof hydraulics. Even the AMG versions become nightmares when stuff starts failing. You can get one cheap, but it'll eat your wallet alive. And I mean alive. Number three, we got the 2006 to 2009 E-Class, basically the E350 and the E550. These models came with the M272 and the M273 engines. and are known for balance shaft and timing issues. I'm not saying all M273s are bad. The 2011 550, like I said, is solid, but these early ones had serious flaws. Unless the engine's been rebuilt or replaced, I would probably skip it. At number 4, we have the C250, the W204 platform. It's slow, buzzy, and the 1.8 liter turbo 4-cylinder is known for time and chain issues. It's the opposite of what you expect from a Mercedes. Underwhelming, unreliable, and straight shit. And coming at number 5, newer Mercedes with the 4-cylinder engines, a C300, an A-Class, a CLA, and so on. They're just not built the way older Benzes were. Tons of plastic, fake vents, complicated sensors, and no personality. If you're looking for longevity or driving enjoyment, these aren't it, I promise you. Not every Benz is built to last, but the right one can give you luxury, performance, and reliability without breaking the bank. Let me know what Mercedes you would buy or which one burned you in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more real deal car content, especially Mercedes content. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace!